Millions of people use this product, but very few know the incredible process behind inside the factory and discover the journey. Before this finished product reaches people around the world, it begins with a carefully controlled manufacturing process inside a specialized factory. Every finished product begins with a carefully selected starting material. In this factory, the journey begins with latex, the foundation of the entire. Before it can take its final shape, the latex goes through a carefully controlled preparation process. This step creates the foundation for the manufacturing stages that follow. Now the transformation begins. The prepared latex starts taking the first form of the final product through a carefully controlled manufacturing process. Step by step, the material begins to take its final form. Through precision and controlled processing, the foundation of the finished product starts to appear. After the initial formation, the product continues through several carefully controlled stages. Each step brings it closer to its final finished form. After taking its initial form, the product moves through the next stage. Here, the material is refined and strengthened, bringing it closer to its final purpose. Each stage of the process brings the product closer to completion. Behind every finished item is a carefully designed journey of transformation and precision. This is where the condom begins to take shape. Ceramic molds are carefully dipped into natural liquid latex, forming a smooth, uniform layer that will become the finished product. After dipping, excess latex is allowed to drain naturally. This creates a smooth, uniform coating with a consistent thickness on every condom. After excess latex drains away, the coated molds enter a controlled drying tunnel. Warm, circulating air begins stabilizing the latex, helping create a strong and uniform condom. For many premium latex condoms, a second controlled latex coating helps achieve a more uniform thickness, improving consistency and durability. Inside the temperature-controlled curing chamber, warm circulating air strengthens the latex. This stage transforms the coating into a flexible, durable, and reliable. Next, the open end is carefully rolled to form the reinforced bead. This feature helps the condom stay securely in place and makes it easier to handle. After forming and curing, the latex products go through a careful washing stage. This helps remove remaining processing residues and prepares them for the next steps of production. After washing, the finished latex products are carefully removed from their ceramic molds. This step reveals the completed shape created through the earlier manufacturing stages.
After removal from the molds, the finished latex products go through a final stabilization stage. This prepares them for the quality checks and finishing steps ahead.
Before packaging, a controlled lubrication process is applied to improve the final product experience. Precision and consistency are maintained at every stage. Before reaching consumers, every finished product goes through careful quality checks. This ensures consistency, reliability. It leaves only the most reliable products ready for packaging. After passing quality checks, each finished condom is individually sealed inside protective packaging. This keeps the product safe, clean, and ready for distribution. After individual sealing, the products are organized into boxes for storage and distribution. This final packaging step prepares the finished product for delivery. After completing every stage of production, the finished products are carefully packaged and prepared for distribution.
From natural latex processing to final packaging, every stage follows a careful manufacturing process designed to create a finished product ready for distribution.
After passing through every stage of production, the finished product is carefully packaged and ready for distribution.
After final packaging, the finished products are organized and prepared for distribution. Every step completes the journey from raw material to ready product.
After completing every stage of manufacturing and packaging, the finished products are ready for distribution. From the first manufacturing step to the final packaged product, every stage follows a careful process to create a finished condom ready for distribution. This was the complete manufacturing journey. What product manufacturing process should we explore next? From the first manufacturing step to the final packaged product, every stage follows a careful process to create a finished condom ready for distribution. Behind every finished product is a carefully controlled manufacturing journey, where precision, technology, and quality standards come together. From raw latex processing to final packaging, every stage follows a precise manufacturing process to create the finished product. Every stage of manufacturing plays an important role in creating a finished product. This is the complete journey from production to final preparation. Thank you for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments. Let us know which manufacturing process you want to explore next.